In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a group chat on Facebook Messenger. Okay, let's get started without wasting so much time. Open Facebook app or Messenger directly, whichever you are okay with, but I'm going with this one. Facebook, then click on the Messenger icon to the top. Then click on the click on the notebook sign at the top, right here, this one. Then tap the name of the person you want to add. Maybe you say Elon Musk, any name. Just I'm just doing this for demonstration. Then if you want to add another person, just click on the plus sign, then type the name of the person. Just type the name of the person until you have the all the number of all the people that you want to add to the group chat. Now after doing that, just send the first message. By sending the first message, these people will be added to your group chat. If you found value in this video, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel because it really helps me a lot. Thank you guys. Until next time, peace out.